हे गाइस, आज हम बात करेंगे इंडिया के 10 एंशियंट यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ इंडिया के बारे में। नंबर वन, तक्षशिला और तक्षशिला यूनिवर्सिटी। तक्षशिला और तक्षशिला was a world famous university in India. It was located in the Gandhara region of ancient India, presently in Pakistan, Rawalpindi district. It is believed that the Kuru Prince Duryodhana founded the Takshila University at the birthplace of his mother, Gandhari. In fact, this region finds mention in the great Indian epic of Mahabharata. Many great Indian physicians, astronomers, grammarians, politicians, rulers, and authors study at the Takshila University of Ancient India. Worth mentioning includes names such as. In fact, Takshila University was home to over 1,500 students who came from worldwide to attend specialization in Vedas, philosophy, grammar, Ayurveda, surgery, agriculture, astronomy, astrology, commerce, warfare, music, and dance. Number two, Nalanda University. Nalanda University is regarded as one of the oldest university in ancient India. It was one of the leading centers for higher learning in ancient India. It was founded by Shakraditya of the Gupta dynasty during the early 5th century. So Nalanda University is over 2000 years old. Nalanda University was located in the ancient kingdom of Magda. Its ruins can be found 7 miles north of Rajgira in Bihar. It attracted students from far off regions regarding Tibet, China, Persia, Greece, and beyond. Nalanda University imparted education in various disciplines using highly formalized method of Vedic learning. Number 3, Vikramshila University. Vikramshila University was one of the old Indian university. It was founded by Pala King Dharampala in the later 7th century BC. It was located in the northern Magda region, that is 50 km east of Bhagalpur in Bihar. Students from all across the country and even foreign lands came to study at the at this ancient university of India. More than 100 teachers taught over 1000 students in this ancient Indian university. Number 4, Pushpagiri University. Pushpagiri University was located in ancient Kalinga, covering districts such as Katak and Jaipur of present Odisha. It was established in the last year of BCE. It is as old as the Nalanda University. It is claimed that Emperor Ashoka established this ancient university of India. The Pushpagiri University campus was spread across 3 adjoining hills known as Lalitgiri, Ratnagiri, and Udyagiri. Many different subjects were taught at this center of learning. This university attracts students from all across the world. Number 5, Vellabhi University. Vellabhi University is one of the old university of ancient India. It was founded by the king of the Matraka dynasty about 2000 years old. It was set up in the line with the Nalanda University. It was located at Vellabhi in the Shurastra region of Gujarat. This ancient university of India flourished until the 12th century CE. Number 6, Mithila University. Although Mithila University is not mentioned in India mainstream history records, it was an important center of learning in India since King Janak, the father of Sita. Mithila University was a center of Brahmanical system of education. It is claimed that King Janak used to hold religious conferences where sagas and the learned took part. It has been recorded that this university taught various different subjects including literature and fine art, Vedas, science subjects, Nyaya Shastra, and more. Number 7, Odantapuri University. Odantapuri University was one of the main centers of learning in ancient India. It was founded by Pala king Gopala during the 7th century CE. It was located in the Magadha region of Bihar. Students from all across the country came to study at this university. However, this university failed to attain fame like Nalanda or Vikramshila University. It has been claimed that this university accommodated around 12,000 students. Various subjects were taught at this university that included Vedic scriptures and even Buddhism. Number 8. Sharda Peeth Temple University. This temple university was one of the main centers of learning in ancient India. It was located in Kashmir and fell under the Kashmir jurisdiction of Pakistan. It is one of the 51 Shakti Peeths where Sati's right hand fell at this place. Many famous scholars were part of this temple university. Some of the Number 9. Somapura University. Somapura University was almost as big as Nalanda University. It was established by the Pala king Dharampala in the 7th later century. Students came from far off regions to study in this ancient university. Here students learned subjects pertaining to Hinduism, Buddhism and Jainism. The buildings here to exhibit the influences of these three traditions in it flourished until the 12th century. Number 10. Jagdalla University. Jagdalla University was established by Pala king Rampala in the early 11th century CE. It was located in the Barindra region in the North Bengal, now in Bangladesh. Jagdalla University is regarded among the 5 great ancient Indian universities, the other being Nalanda, Vikramshila, Somapura and Odantapuri. It taught a wide range of subjects including Sanskrit. Moreover, students came from far and wide to study the special subjects to Vajrayana Buddhism. Buddhism scholar Vidyakara compiled anthologies of Sanskrit verses known as Subhashtra Tranakosa. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel History World. Thank you.